The following message is transmitted by request from the DuPage County Emergency Management. At 9:33 a.m. Central Standard Time, an unknown harmful chemical was released into the air. It is believed that this is a result of a crash between a truck carrying chemicals and a car on Interstate 90 eastbound, 2 miles west from Wheaton. All residents in DuPage County are strongly encouraged to evacuate immediately. If you live in southeastern to northern DuPage County, go to any evacuation shelters being set up in Cook County. If you live in western to southwestern DuPage County, go to any evacuation shelters being set up in Kane or Will counties. Or leave the county limits by at least 2 miles. Please remain calm, and make sure that you bring enough emergency supplies that will last you for up to 3 weeks. This evacuation order will be put on effect until further notice. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information coming up on the recent situation in DuPage County.